Shemai pawb, hello everybody, it's Danielle from Talk and Play. I'm back with another video ready for our Christmas, getting ready with some Christmas crafts. Today's video is all about making an accordion Christmas tree. So you can make one of these along with your family using a couple of different things around the house. So we're going to need green and yellow paper. We're going to need glue, scissors, a hole punch. If you haven't got a hole punch, don't worry, maybe we can use something else. Well, have a little chat throughout the video and let you know. A pencil or a marker. I have some ribbon, some pom-poms here, and some stickers, different shapes and sizes, ready to decorate our tree. Also, along with this video, in our information sheets, I will add a template which will include the Christmas tree and the star ready for you to print out. Obviously, if you haven't got access to a printer, maybe you could just look at the photo and draw it yourself. But obviously, if you do have access to a printer, you'll be able to then print it out directly onto the coloured card, or maybe if you do it on white paper, you can have the children colour it with crayons, paints, pencils, whatever you've got. So I'm going to go and use my template. So I'm going to take my green paper and I'm going to take my Christmas tree template that I cut out earlier, place it on the paper, and I'm basically just going to draw around the outline of the tree. Save a bit of time. Here's one I made earlier and I've cut it out already. I'm just going to place that to one side at the moment. And again, along with the Christmas tree, there will be a star template for you to use. Again, you can also draw this freehand if you don't have access to a printer. And earlier on, I just put on the paper, drew around it, and I cut it out ready for today's session. So we've got our tree and we've got our star. So we're going to put these in front of us. Now for the tree, we're going to fold the Christmas tree like a fan, like an accordion. So we're going to take the tree, we're going to fold over the bottom of the Christmas tree, maybe about 1 centimetre, and we're just going to crease the fold. Now, this is the tricky part. You're going to have to turn the Christmas tree over, and again we're going to fold the bottom of the Christmas tree back on itself like so. So have a little bit of a shape like that. Fantastic. So now we're going to flip our Christmas tree back over and we're going to repeat the process, creasing the fold each time, and once doing that, flipping the tree back over and folding it back across itself. So I'm going to do this one really, really quickly, but it's just fold, turn over, fold, turn over, all the way till you get to the tip of the tree, fold it back on itself, and you should have something that looks similar to this. Using our hole punch, a single hole punch would work better. But don't worry if you haven't got it. I've also used card, which is a bit of a rookie mistake because it's really, really thick. So paper would be the best for this. So I'm going to place it inside my hole punch like so, and just poke a hole through the centre of our Christmas tree. Again, if you don't have a hole punch, maybe you could use the adult in the house and have a sharp pen or pencil, place, a rubber or piece of Play-Doh underneath and just poke a hole through. Now, for the straw, we're going to use a straw. I may need, I'm going to need to make this a little bigger because my straws are a bit thick. So I'm just going to use my scissors. I am going to be careful because they are sharp, just to make the hole a little bit wider, to try and get this straw through a bit easier. So the next part is to take your drinking straw and push it through the hole that we made earlier. Now we're going to take the tip of the Christmas tree and we're going to start to pull the Christmas tree up. Each fold, just bringing it up the drinking straw, so it starts to open up on itself. We don't want to open it fully up because we want some of the straw left at the bottom to resemble the trunk of the tree. So I'm just going to have a little play about with this just to make sure it looks okay. So you should have something that resembles a Christmas tree. Now, using your glue, we're going to put some glue on our yellow star that we printed out on yellow paper, or our yellow star that we coloured in using crayons on our white paper, or any colour star that your child wishes to choose. I've gone with yellow. And now mine's not sticking. Always the same when you're trying to make it work. Probably need a lot of glue for this. And you need to push it really hard to make sure it sticks. So that's my Christmas tree. And then using my little pom-poms, sequins, buttons, stickers. I have some ribbon, anything you have around the house. Obviously be careful with chalking hazards with small pieces and the little ones. But using our glue, just popping some glue onto our Christmas tree. And then just adding our stickers and pom-poms. And now mine are not going to stick to show you. There we are, there's a little green pom-pom there. Put some here as well. And then it's up to your children then to decorate their tree however they would like. So hopefully you will have a nice Christmas tree ready to celebrate in all the festivities. I hope you enjoyed today's craft, and I look forward to seeing all your accordion Christmas trees soon. Obviously I didn't put enough glue on because they've just fallen off, but hopefully you have a bit more luck than I did, and you've got a bit more time to make sure you use lots of glue and lots of pressure to keep the nice decorations on there. I hope you have a lovely Christmas, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Hwyl fawr pawb. Goodbye everybody.